Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of the museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came to learn about bottom LED backlight.
Hello, Greg.
LED backlight can be divided into edge LED backlight and bottom LED backlight by the location of the light source. The distinctive feature of bottom LED backlight is that the LED light source is on the bottom. Let us check the structure. From top to bottom, diffusion plate, bracket, and PCB. The light emitted from the LED light source at the bottom passes through the air and is evenly distributed to the surface by the diffusion plate. Bottom LED backlight may be 4 or 5 times more expensive than edge LED backlight. High power consumption and much thicker, 10 millimeters at least, but it still has several advantages. Number 1. It is much brighter since a lot of LEDs can be applied in a small confined area. Number 2. The outer dimension is much smaller because it doesn't have light blocking area.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
You are welcome to contact us if you have any questions.